Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm Ultimate Backup is updated and licensed, and that your destination drive is mounted and has free space. Once done, stop any other backup software or antivirus that may lock files, and check recent Windows or system updates that coincide with the failure. Now open the app and switch to the backup job list. Make sure the target path matches the mounted storage. These early checks remove common blockers and let you proceed to deeper diagnostics. You now dive into the job itself. Inspect include /exclude filters, path permissions, and any pre/post scripts that can abort a run. Then open Ultimate Backup logs and look for error codes and the first failed timestamp. That tells you whether it is permissions, I/O, or a scripting error. Once identified, run a manual backup to a temporary local folder while monitoring CPU, disk queue, and network throughput. This isolates the problem and shows whether scheduling or runtime conditions cause the failure. You apply the corrective action based on the log. Change destination path, fix NTFS permissions, whitelist the app in antivirus, or remove the faulty pre/post script. Once fixed, run a full manual backup and then a scheduled test. Verify integrity with checksums, or restore a sample file to confirm success. If issues persist, recreate the job or reinstall Ultimate Backup, then collect detailed logs and system snapshots. Quick troubleshooting tip: rerun the failing job with verbose logging. Enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.